Hello there. Welcome to Cloud Softphone Location Reporting Tutorial. In this video, we'll explore its features and benefits. Let's get started. Our Cloud Softphone platform enables providers like you to create customized softphone apps that integrate directly with leading switches. We also handle publishing your apps to these major application stores for you. Beyond unifying communication tools, our platform includes a feature called Location Reporting. This feature allows the app to send GPS location data to the SAP network, which benefit your users and your service. Here is how Acrobits location reporting works. In simple terms, it adds the GPS location of your users' soft phones to the SIP network using a special header called X-Location. This header contains the user's GPS coordinates, which can be used by various purposes, such as emergency or location-based services. The best part is that this location data updates in real time, even when users are on the move, and it requires no additional infrastructure. The location reporting feature in softphone apps offer unique advantages that go beyond basic IP-based tracking. It is crucial for emergency services and regulatory compliance. By sharing real-time GPS coordinates, this feature helps emergency responders quickly and accurately locate users, especially when callers cannot provide their location. If your business needs to meet regulations like E112 or E911, this feature ensures compliance. Location reporting has many practical applications beyond emergencies. For example, it enables location-based call handling, such as call verification, restriction, and routing, to ensure compliance with local security policies. Additionally, it can route calls to servers in specific geographic regions, helping you comply with data residency laws like GDPR. It also supports logistic tracking, allowing businesses to monitor the real-time location of employees or assets. Enabling location reporting for your softphone project is easy. On the Cloud Softphone portal, navigate to the Features and Pricing section and enable location reporting. Then, go to the Provisioning Options section, open the Location menu. In the Location Policy for Calls and for SIP registration sections, choose between optional or mandatory location tracking. It is worth noting that the mobile app uses the device location only with the user's consent. Thanks for watching this video. See you again soon.